Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Protect Talks. If you are new to this channel, I would request you to please subscribe this channel for more content like this. With that said, let's get started. So today's video is about how to increase the speed of your PC. If you're wondering that you have purchased a new laptop and in just 1 or 2 months you're experiencing speed issues, then this video is helpful for you. I'm going to share a simple trick with you guys that will help you overcome the speed issue and make your PC a little bit faster. So the very first step would be to go to the start menu and type settings, open it, search for background apps. So as you can see that a lot of apps are running in the background and we are unaware of it and they are consuming a lot of space. So you can either go and manually disable the apps which you don't require, or if you don't require all the apps, you can just simply disable all at once. So this will definitely consume less space and make your PC a little bit faster. I hope this video helped you. If so, please subscribe this channel for more content like this. Thank you so much.